Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video interview into Huck's World. Today I got an awesome unique watch face that I don't want you guys to sleep on. This one, and I got another one that's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Listen, download is a must with this one. Now the name of it, I'm going to call it, I believe it's abbreviated for Clear Vortex. This is part of a series, so this one is going to be Digital 21 Multicolor. Now, I like the look and design of this watch face. It definitely stands out for a casual dress-down watch face, especially for the weekend. Something new, something fresh, something different. Now, in the AOD mode, I like the look of this digital time with this black background. Looks really nice. Now, once the watch face is on, at the top, you're going to get your date information, the day of the week. Going to get your nice, legible digital time in the middle, and at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. Now, I like the swirl, but I need for you to pay attention to the detailing of the swirl, right? I thought that was very nice. Really brings out the watch face, adds a little character to it as well. I don't know about you, but I'm telling you, this one gets my stamp of approval. Now, it is interactive, so if I double tap, of course, on my battery, I can pull up my battery information. If I double tap right here, I can go ahead and set an alarm. And the same thing for my date at the top. I can double tap and I can pull up the calendar, set an event, and with that, I thought it was a good look. Now, at the end of the day, it's going to be up to you, but hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to be downloading this watch face. Remember, this one and the next one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So stay tuned. Here's watch face number 2. All right, you all, watch face number 2 is called BW Molecule. This one is nice. It's also part of the series as well by this developer. It's called Digital 29. It's a 12, 24-hour watch face. Now, I like the uniqueness of this watch face with the molecules, and in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice, legible digital time. Now, looking at this watch face, I like the background design that really complements the molecules that this guy has created. And you get a nice legible digital time along with your date, the day of the week, battery percentage is at the top. Now, the watch face is not geared toward fitness, but again, this is a nice everyday wear or a work week wear. Not bad at all. And of course, if you double tap on your battery, you will be able to pull up, of course, that information for that. Same thing here if you want to set an alarm. So I thought it was a good look for something different. What do you think, people? Are you going to download this one or not? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.